I just shared a workflow with 50 people and not a single one of them asked me how to install it. Like, you know that feeling you build something incredible in ComfyUI? You share the JSON file and then you wonder, which model did you use? Like, I'm getting like an error on nodes. Where do I put these LoRA files? And you end up being a tech support instead of being like a creator. Floyo changed everything for me. When I publish a workflow and people just click run and that's it. Same models I use, same nodes, zero setup on their end. Like, it's simply a full ComfyUI in your browser with no setup. Like, can you imagine? So let me put you through this character shape workflow essential for character consistency on Floyo. For me, character consistency has been the hardest problem in AI image generation. You create like the perfect character design, then you try to generate them from different angles and they look like a different person every single time. There's a workflow on Floyo that actually solves this. Here's how to go about it. Go to Floyo, you see loads of workflows, but search for character LoRA dataset using Quen image edit. Then click open workflow, upload one image of your character, just one, click run and you get a complete character shape. Like front view, side view, 3/4 angles, all consistent. The workflow uses Quen image edit to maintain like feature structure, proportions across every angle. So I'm gonna drop the workflow link in the description. Try it out, let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank me later.